Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you today about how you can save money on your student loan debt during the COVID-19 crisis. Currently, there's $1.5 trillion in U.S. student loan debts that are attached to the backs of many college students that graduated and that are still in the college system. And this is causing a huge burden on the consumer to go out and enjoy their lives or even pay down other debts that they have on the credit cards or other loans that they've taken out. And during the pandemic, this is now becoming easier for the economy to have more liquidity in the market. You probably heard by now that the government on March 13th suspended student loan debts payments for 60 days along with 0% interest on payments to help spur liquidity in the market, meaning that people are going to have more money to put towards food, put towards rent, along with putting towards other investments as well. Stay tuned. I'm going into depth if you can actually take advantage of these programs. Now I'm going to go into detail on how this program is going to work and how we could actually benefit from this program and come out a little less burden on our families as well. So like I mentioned before, Trump on March 13th, 2020 announced that there's going to be a suspension from student loan agencies collecting payments for the next 60 days, and along with 0% interest on federal student loan payments as well. So this initiative includes those that are current with their debt, means that they got all the bills caught up with for their loans, along with people that are delinquent on their debt, people that are 30 days behind on their debt. This does not include people that defaulted on their debt, which means that they have not paid their payments for the last 270 days. So this includes the majority of the population that could benefit from the 60-day suspension of payments. The only true caveat to this initiative is that this is going to apply for federal student loan debt, not for private student loan debt. Regardless if you have a federal loan or a private loan, call into your agency to see if you could apply for forbearance. There shouldn't be any extra paperwork just due to them knowing exactly why you're applying for this forbearance, aka the COVID-19 virus. There is going to be a high call volume, but once you do reach someone on the other line, let them know your situation, let them know that you're here for forbearance, and there shouldn't be extra paperwork just due to the COVID-19 virus being a main topic on the other line. Most loan agencies know what's going on. So let them know that you're interested in the 60-day suspension initiative, and you should be able to save up money and not have to worry about student loan debt for the next 60 days. If you actually are still able to pay the debt, definitely do. Any sort of payments is going to be 0% interest, meaning that your whole payment is going to go towards your principal. This means that every single dollar that you put in for that payment is going to get chopped off from the amount of money that you own to the loan. If you own $10,000 and you pay $1,000 for that month, just saying hypothetically, then that $1,000 get cut right on top of the $10,000. Now you own $9,000 for the next month. Before the crisis, you have to have the $1,000 cover the interest, which might be a certain percentage, and the other portion of that $1,000 could be the principal. But now you have the whole portion of that payment going straight off the top of that principal, meaning that you are paying off your loan faster. When you pay off that loan faster, guess what? You could buy a house, you could buy a car, you could buy your fiance a new watch in the future. Okay, so take advantage of this right now. There's even talk of extending this 60-day period to 6 months, or even taking off $10,000 off the top of your principal payment for your loan. So who knows what's going to happen, but take the first step, take hold of your future, and call your loan agency today. I'll leave numbers down in the description, along with any sort of other contacts that might help you reach the agency a little faster, just due to the high call volume, like I mentioned before. In the comments down below, let me know if this helped. Let me know if you want any other content talking about other benefits that could come your way the next couple days, just due to this horrendous virus in our lives right now. Thanks once again for tuning in. If there's any other questions or concerns or any other topics that I could cover that could help you save money during this crisis, please let me know in the comment section down below. Stay safe out there, please. Along with that, if there's for some reason any money that's raised during this video on YouTube, I'm going to put every single penny towards a cause that's going to help fight this virus. Once again, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.